Hello everyone, today is going to be a very short video. I was about to work using Wondershare Filmora, the 9th version, to edit some video of mine, and I stumbled upon this message: HEVC Codec must be installed. That means it was missing. And when I looked for it in the Microsoft Store, it said it needs some sort of payment to enable this or install this in my PC. I have found a workaround and it is here. It will also be installed in the description box that you can comment and download this and install this in your PC. So I am showing you a screen share, a recording image of it, because I tried to recreate it after I installed that file. It was okay and I got my job done. But when I tried to recreate it, it was not showing that this codec is missing. That's why this image is an actual image of the version of app I'm using. And I hope that your HEVC codec problems will be solved with this. Thank you.